Here's what no one is telling you when it comes to reselling PLR products on Etsy. You can't just resell PLR products without making any changes. The best way to make sales on Etsy is by bringing a unique design to the marketplace, a design that no other shop already has. So let's think about what happens when you don't make any changes to a PLR product. You can bet that other people are buying that same exact PLR product and selling it in their own Etsy shop. So let's say now we have 10 shops selling the exact same design, the exact same colors. The only thing to compete on now is price. So what happens, it's a race to the bottom. Everyone is just dropping their price trying to make the sale. And we don't want that. You want to have a product that is unique to your own shop so you can sell it for whatever price that you want. I'm going to show you how you can transform a PLR product to make it your own so you have a better chance of making some passive income. Before we hop over to my computer, do me a huge favor and like this video and subscribe to the channel if you're into getting rich with digital products. By the way, I have 3 completely free PLR products linked for you down below in the description. You can practice making them your own and you can see the quality of my PLR. It's pretty great if I do say so myself. Let's go. I'm going to be using a PLR product from my first class PLR membership to show you how to properly customize a done-for-you product. If you're interested in joining First Class and getting instant access to all of these pretty PLR products, you can find the link in the description. When it comes to customizing PLR, at the very minimum, you want to change the fonts, colors, and elements. A great way to separate your printables from everyone else's is by using fonts not found on Canva. And now uploading fonts is a Canva Pro feature, so if you want to do this, then you'd have to get Canva Pro. But I got all of these commercial use fonts from Creative Fabrica. Creative Fabrica has over 175,000 commercial use fonts to choose from, and really you can spend hours downloading all of these cool fonts. I love it. It's either $29 a month, or right now they have a deal where you can get a whole year for only 48 bucks, which is a definite steal. I'll have the link in the description. Back to our printable, let's choose 2 new fonts for the header. And now to quickly change all the fonts on the page, you can just go to the new font that you want and then hit change all. Now let's change the other headers, pumpkin pie, change all, and you're gonna have to readjust some of these. So my faves, let's make it a little bigger. And now of course we want all of these to be the same size as this one, and to quickly make that happen, you can hit copy style and it will paste the style onto the other text boxes. Now let's change the colors. And just like the fonts, you can change all the colors with just one click. Maybe for the pencils, we want to do a yellow. Actually, I want to do a pattern. Let's do that with the apples too. Now let's change these elements out for some new ones. I just had an idea. I think it'd be cool to like customize these for different subjects. So maybe for like a math teacher, a geography teacher, a history teacher. When you niche down on Etsy, there's less competition and there's more chances to make sales. To make it even more different, we can change the line weight. You can change the line color. Maybe instead of black, we can do a gray. And actually, I think I like that better. And we can add a border. I'm hitting the R key on my keyboard to bring up a square. Come up here to border style. Maybe let's do it at 2. Now we're going to make it a transparent background. No color. And then just drag it like this. And let's make it, should we make it blue or should we make it green? I like the blue. So we've gone from this to this. Still a beautiful product, but it looks completely your own now. I really love how this came out. In real time, all these changes took me no more than 5-10 minutes. So just put in this extra effort to make it your own. These teacher surveys are one of the 3 free PLR products I'm gifting you, so be sure to get them and practice customizing your done-for-you products. After you're done customizing your product, you would download it as a PDF print, make your listing photos, and then list it on Etsy. Now let's shift gears and edit another type of PLR product together. I'm going to show you how you can quickly customize this self-discovery journal. When it comes to customizing a journal, there are a couple of things that you should do. 1, you definitely want to design your own cover page. change up the colors, change up the fonts. To make a done for you journal even better, you can even add pages or add more journal prompts. First things first, I'm going to choose my color palette. So let's add a page, and I'm going to add 3 circles and then just pick my colors. I think I want to do some blues. Now that I picked out a color palette, I'm going to change the color of the text and the elements. Let's change this orange to the blue. Now we need to change all the orange on the other pages. So let's change this to the darker blue. As you can see, all of our colors are changed now. I don't really love the yellow, but this is just an example. Now let's move on to changing up the fonts. Click on the text box. Let's just go with Sanchez and then change all. Now for this font, let's just use Moontime. After you change your fonts, go through and fix any formatting issues like this. Always just make sure it's centered by going to position and then center. Now, if you want to get even more creative and make it more different, you can delete the elements that's there and just replace it with one of your own ideas. Let's do like, I really don't know right now. Let's just do pretzels because I have a bag of pretzels sitting in front of me. I guess you can tell I'm a little hungry right now. So you can just make a quick pattern like this. And now you can group them all together. From here, to add it to the other pages, you can copy, delete the element that's there, and then literally just paste it on to the page. Not the best thing for a self-discovery journal, but of course you could use any elements that you want, like flowers or puppies. The goal here is to use PLR as a starting point to create your own unique product. When you have a product that doesn't look like anyone else's, you give buyers an actual reason to buy with you over somebody else. The last step of customizing a PLR journal is designing your cover. You should design it based on the color palette you've chosen and the fonts that you've chosen. Let's do a pretty blue background. Maybe add a photo in there. What's something that says self-discovery? And voila, here you have a very simple cover page. This PLR Self-Discovery Journal is another one of the PLR products that I'm gifting to you. Hopefully you come up with a better pattern than my pretzel popcorn lollipop. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you got something from it, please like and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to download your 3 free PLR products, and I will see you next time.